I think 1-0, it's still a point, it's good, but we need to score more goals. We create many chances, and we need accuracy. But I'm very happy because the players work very hard. Selamat malam. First, we must say terima kasih. Thank you very much for the supporters that came today. We know that it's not a good day to come to the stadium because it's Monday night, and I know that many people work today and tomorrow go to work. So I want to say terima kasih. Thank you very much for the supporters that came. They make a fantastic environment and they give extra energy to our players. These are the true supporters of PSM because I know that they make sacrifice to come here. So, terima kasih, terima kasih. Opponent team, we have more shoots to the goal, more goal attempts, more corners. I think 1-0. It's still a point, it's good, but we need to score more goals. We create many chances, and we need accuracy. But I'm very happy because the players work very hard. It's not easy to create many chances like we create today. But also, I don't want to speak about Wasit, but number 44. It's unbelievable how he not see Mendapatkan. On the first minute, he put the foot on the head of Kezunambu and not see kartu kuning. And after Adilson go direct to the goal, he pull and they give kartu. And after see, very easy to show kartu kuning to our side. It's ridiculous what the Wasit team make. I think we need to if we make Tirabago's job after we go. We make analyze, and we need to give our position to other person. And was it today make big influence because see all the offensive transitions that we have, opponent team always make foul and consecutive foul. You need to give kartu kuning. So it's very important that who analyze the work of the referees try to change. Because after it's difficult if on Liga Satu they make like this, imagine when go to play international competition.
Alhamdulillah kami mendapatkan hasil 3 poin di pertandingan tadi. Pertandingan tadi bukan pertandingan yang mudah, tapi tim bekerja keras dan menghasilkan 3 poin. Terima kasih kepada supporter yang telah hadir dan yang di rumah telah mendukung kami. Terima kasih.
Who get more chances? First half and second half. PSM Makassar.
Siapa yang dapat peluang lebih banyak?
Goal attempts. Who get more? First half and second half. PSM Makassar. There are many ways to make a game. If we are winning, and if the characteristics of our players are characteristics not to position ball, it's more offensive transition. Why we gonna have bola and after make mistakes? So we prefer on this situation make bagus block, mid block, waiting for the trigger with bola and offensive transition. If you go to count the goal attempts and the goal shoots of first half and second half, we get more. So we must play with the characteristics of our players. And in my opinion, we get more chances on the first half and on the second half. Comparing with the opponent team, and I prefer to have chances and score goals than have 80% of possession ball. And I can tell you a history after he translates. So about possession ball, let's go imagine that I am single and I meet a beautiful lady, okay? And I go to lunch with this beautiful lady. I pay the lunch. I go to have a coffee with this beautiful lady, and we speak too much. We go to cinema. After we go to the dinner, we speak. We take a coffee again. So imagine since lunchtime until dinner, cinema, maybe I be 10 hours, me. And after you come, I sit with the lady, speak, you come, and you make like this to her, and you go with her. So imagine, me 10 hours possession ball, you score, he's here, so we must work when he's here. I think maybe he must go there on December, we don't know. But he signed a contract with Makassar. He is happy to be here. So we must think step by step and living the present, not think too much for the future, because football changed too much quickly. I am very, very happy that players can go on FIFA match schedule to national team. I think it's a good signal. It's a signal that the Makassar is working good and have good players. I hope that in the future on FIFA match schedule can go more players, because there are many people that need a chance. I believe that they have quality to and deserve to can represent Indonesia. But don't forget one thing, we also represent Indonesia. Last match on 23, and we hope that we can catch points for the ranking.